MC Oluomo, the chairman of Lagos State Parks and Garages, celebrates his twins on their birthday. The proud father took to his Instagram page to share his joy with his followers as he celebrated his twins, Kehinde and Taiwo Akinsonya. In a post shared on Instagram, MC Oluomo expressed his love for his children, stating that their birthday was a very special day. He added that watching his children grow and develop has been a true blessing, and he wished them a year filled with love, laughter, and new adventures. Reality TV star Khafi celebrated her husband and co-star Gedoni as he turned a new age. The mother of two, who met her husband on the 2019 edition of Big Brother Naija, shared a video of the adorable moment their second son, Micah, said his first word, Dada, and said it's an awesome way to mark his birthday. She went on to share a heartwarming birthday message, showering praises on Gedoni for being a great husband and father to their children. Larissa London, a UK-based makeup artist and baby mama of Nigerian superstar singer Davido, has gone public with the type of man she wants. The beautiful mother of one expressed her desire for soft men while maintaining that she cannot deal with men who don't show emotions.